We've condensed Odoo's stock lookup to 8 clicks. See your quantity on hand in under 30 seconds. We'll start at the dashboard, open inventory, locate the product, then enable tracking to reveal the on-hand figure. First, go ahead and navigate to your Odoo homepage. Then, open the Inventory app from the main dashboard to get started. Now, click on Products in the top bar. Then, click on Products again to go into the product list. Select the specific product you'd like to check stock for by clicking on it. Once you're on the product page, go ahead and click the Track Inventory toggle switch to enable stock tracking. Then, click on Quantity on Hand to see the current inventory count. Finally, click on Hand at the top. Review the stock information displayed, and you're all set. Happy stock checking! If you have any feedback, or if any info is inaccurate, please leave a comment below. We'll do our best to answer or redo the video if needed. Thanks for watching.